If your Buick Enclave's CarPlay is stuck or won't connect, don't worry. Most of the time, it is a simple software glitch. Believe it or not, 85% of connection issues are solved by just swapping out a worn-out Lightning or USB-C cable. Before you head to the dealership, let's run through a quick diagnostic checklist to find the culprit. Start by forgetting the device in your Bluetooth settings and performing a hard reboot of the Buick infotainment system. Check your iPhone's restrictions. CarPlay often fails if Siri is disabled or if screen time settings are blocking the connection. Inspect your phone's charging port for lint and ensure you're plugged into the data-capable USB port on the dashboard. Newer Enclaves use wireless CarPlay, which relies on both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If one is off, the whole system fails. As you can see, 60% of these issues are resolved with a high-quality cable, so try that first. If all else fails, a factory reset of the vehicle settings will clear any deep-seated software bugs in the Intellilink system. Always keep an original Apple cable in your center console to rule out third-party hardware failures. Pro tip: never run an iOS update while the phone is connected to the car, as it can corrupt the handshake protocol. If these steps helped you get back on the road with your maps and music, hit that like button and drive safe.